The President of Neretka, Sri Vijay Sai Meka, and Sri Mark Sridhar Reddy Garu, Secretary General, and Mr. Kali Prasad Damira, Executive Vice President, Dr. Lion Y. Kiran, Executive Vice President, Venkateshwara Garu, and our Chief Guest today, Sri Batti Vikramarka Garu, Deputy Chief Minister, Finance and Energy, and my friend Bharu Prasad Garu, MLC Garu, and all the other distinct guests here, and all the other members of the Neretco and the media friends. It is an honor to address the industry leaders who are the true architects of our state's burgeoning skyline and economy. For me, it's like a homecoming. As all of you know, before my entry into the public life, I was also a builder. I am so happy to be with you all today. It's a pleasure for me. అట్లాగే మనకు సామెత ఉంది తెలుగులో, ఇల్లు కట్టి చూడు పెళ్లి చేసి చూడని. అంటే ఇంటికి ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రాముఖ్యత, ద ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఫర్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది పీపుల్, ఓనింగ్ ఏ హౌస్ in their lifetime, it's an ambition for millions of people, and you are solving their problems. And let me begin by stating the obvious yet profound truth. The real estate sector is the primary engine of Telangana's growth. It's more than just bricks and mortar. It's the driver of economy and a monumental source of opportunities. From the construction worker laying the foundation to the architect designing the future, and from the material supplier to the financial institution providing the home loan, the sector creates direct and indirect employment and an immense scale. The growth is definitely, when compared with the in the entire country, the most happening city is the Hyderabad, and also the Telangana is rising. Telangana, and particularly Hyderabad, has consistently been a front runner in India's growth narrative.